Hey everyone, I am Diwakar, a student UI UX designer, someone who started exploring freelancing in college. Just like many of you are thinking right now, right? In today's video, I am going to break down freelancing in a simplest possible, like what it is, why it's perfect for students, and how you can start if you have zero skills and experiences. Let's go. Freelancing means doing a small projects for people and getting paid, right? That's it. You are not joining a company and you are not working fixed hours, right? Imagine someone messages you, can you make a poster for my event? And you do it and they pay you for 500. Boom. That is freelancing, right? You can freelance in so many things: graphic design, UX design, writing, editing videos, managing Instagram pages, doing SEO, even helping people using ChatGPT, right? If you are in college, you already have two powerful tools, time and internet, right? That's all you need. You can work from your hostel bed, library, or even your college canteen also. You don't need to wait for graduation, right? Freelancing lets you explore your interest, earn a small money, and build confidence, right? All before you leaving the college. Don't worry if you feel like you have no skills. Everyone starts from zero, right? Here are some easy skills you can learn in 2-3 weeks and you can start with that, right? Like poster design with using Canva, and content writing using ChatGPT, voiceovers and audio recording, and social media management and UI UX designing and graphic designing, logo designing, etc. There are a lot of possibilities you can use it. Pick just one skill, watch 3 to 4 YouTube tutorials, then create 2-3 sample projects to show your work like a portfolio. Once you have picked your skill, now it's time to find real projects, and I'll tell you some beginner friendly platforms where you can freelance work, right? Here are some platforms like Fiverr, Intenshala, and freelance.com, and Upwork, and LinkedIn, in Instagram. Like you can DM them, like yes, DM will definitely work. And create a clean profile and add 2-3 samples and start reaching out. You don't need to wait for perfection, right? Just start it. Let's keep it real. You won't want to make 50,000 per first month, right? But freelancing is a long-term game. First you learn and then you will earn, right? Start small, maybe 300 for a poster, then 500 for a social media post. Slowly you gain trust and grow your price, right? What you are building is a bigger than money, right? You are building a skill, confidence, and a future career, all while still in college, right? Freelancing is not just for experts and designers, it's for anyone who wants to learn and help others, right? College is the best time to try. So pick one skill, make a profile, send your DM as app. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment which skill you wanna learn and like the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.